It's time for you to start adding some components to the canvas. Starting at the top level with sections, let's take a look at how to add them and the different styling properties that are available. Following what we've learned so far, you'll need to add a section onto the canvas in order to add the elements such as text boxes or images into that section. Let's start off by adding a basic section. You can add a basic section to the canvas by firstly selecting the section icon from the top bar navigation. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut K. With the section selected, hover your mouse over the top or bottom of an existing section on the canvas. Or if you have no sections on the canvas yet, hover the mouse at the top of the canvas. You'll see a highlighted blue box that signals where the new section will appear. Simply click to place it in this area. There are also a variety of different types of sections that are available inside of the Add menu. In order to access this, you'll need to navigate to the Add menu icon in the left-hand side content panel. Under the Elements header, you'll be able to see all components that are available inside of Vev. From here, you can view all the components under different subcategories and also get a preview of what each component does by clicking the I tooltip. You can search the library using the search bar at the top of this menu or filter to only show types of sections by clicking the filter icon beside the search bar. Bear in mind that some components can work as either a section or an element. With these components, you'll either need to click and drag them onto the canvas to add them as an element, or to add them as a section, hover at the top or bottom of an existing section to get the same preview as when we added that basic section. To style a section, simply select the desired section and navigate to the Style panel on the right-hand side. From here, you'll see the properties relevant to the selected section. For example, this is where you would need to navigate in order to change the background, either using a color fill, gradient, or background image. You can even have multiple layers using a variety of these techniques. With certain types of sections, such as video components, you'll need to double-click the section itself to open up the property settings. A section's height is specified by minimum height. This is a CSS property that ensures that the section will not shrink below the desired minimum height, even if the content is smaller. Minimum height makes it quicker for you to resize your section according to the content you are working with, so you don't have to manually adapt the height to fit its content. You can easily use min-h as a regular height by manually adjusting it, but it can never be smaller than your content. It's worth noting that with the minimum height property, the section's height will automatically increase to accommodate any content that exceeds the minimum height, ensuring all elements are properly contained. To ensure you have a set amount of padding at the top and bottom of the section, you can add section spacing from the layout area within the Style panel. This will appear when any type of section is selected. Here you can define a pixel, percentage, viewport width, or viewport height value. This is great to ensure you have a consistency of padding across all your sections, and the padding will be taken into consideration if your section's minimum height is exceeded by the content within it. You're also able to control content clipping from this menu. Underneath the spacing options, you will see the drop-down for clipping. You can also clip the contents of your section in a variety of different shapes. When using a background image for your section, the default behavior is that the background will scroll like normal with the page. If you want the background image to be fixed, you can easily change this from the scroll option within the Style panel. Simply click the drop-down option and select Fix Background.